you're part of this initiative that puts together the 100 plus CEOs. There's a jaundiced view on this. Do we really need another initiative? When is this time proper? Is this for real? Like, do you really get that we are in crisis? And if we are, can you fix this?
Yeah, so the CEO initiative, the 115 or 125, whatever it is at the current stage, that's a pledge by CEOs to do what business can do to assist government. The sort of structure that's working on this, on three areas that we've identified: energy, transport and logistics, and crime and corruption. People ask me whether I'm optimistic, and I say I'm carefully cautious, because we've been through this before.
Yeah.
All right. The difference this time.
It's like the Hangover 3.
Yeah. I feel it's Hangover 13 or 14, okay. But anyway. The difference this time is that in each of these initiatives, business CEOs are actually championing this. The president is definitely committed to this, and he seems to be sort of pulling his people into this. And so, ironically, on energy, we made quite a lot of progress, actually, despite the load shedding. I mean, we're working very closely with NICOM. There's business people and government sitting together to look at the grid, to look at distribution, to look at a whole range of other stuff. We've put expertise into NICOM to help implement the plan. We put people into 4 of the power stations to try and get the energy factors up there. All of that hasn't happened.
It hasn't happened?
It hasn't happened before.
Oh, it hasn't happened before.
Hasn't happened before. On transport and logistics, we bedded down a structure now. The Minister of Public Enterprises have been very forthcoming. The new Transnet board has been very forthcoming. And the logistic roadmap is about to go to cabinet. We've had sight of it from the presidency and Operation Vulindlela, and it's looking good. And we've got government and business working together on some critical interventions. Crime and corruption has been a bit slow given the nature of that area and so on, but we're hopefully getting there. The issue here is whether we can maintain particularly government involvement and interest in this. And we believe that if we can, and this is not the panacea.
But isn't it more than maintaining their interest and involvement and engagement? What I'm hearing Elsie say is it's down at 30 feet, not 30,000
Yeah, okay, I'm coming to that. So we've had discussions on whether business can get involved at municipal level. All right. So let me take Joburg as an example. They haven't spent their infrastructure budgets, and yet they have no money, right? So it's not just a capacity issue. It's a political problem, right? And it's still, and to a great extent, corruption is now at that level, right? So I mean, I have to ask myself quite honestly, can I put my hand on my heart and say I can approach PPC to give me some people with the skills for me to work with the Joburg municipality to second those people there and to start fixing things up? Are they safe? Okay. Is there the political will to actually fix things up, and then to when employees of the municipality don't follow the systems, don't follow processes and so on, is the political will for serious consequence management and so on? And I think that's the issue we've got to address. It's not just a capacity issue. It's a political problem.
Okay.
And if there isn't the political will to do that, if they continue, I mean, what's holding Joburg back at the moment? There are lots of good people working there, but so long as you have a political architecture at the moment that it's talking only about resources and power. I haven't once in the coalition debate heard the word service delivery. It's all about resources and power. That's why a coalition of parties put a 1% mayor there who patently can't do the job, but they can control. And let's be quite frank about it. That's what it is. Okay. And so that's what we've got to address, and that cannot happen without strong political leadership. Okay. And that's the problem.